Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're starting it out with the Harley. This thing is absolutely filthy. I need to wash it, but I'm not doing that right now. So recently, last time I was riding, I blew out the rear tire. I mean, absolutely blew it out, side to side, got it to a stop. Shout out to the guy that helped me get it back to the house. But I don't know why. I mean, the tire was like bald in the middle and it was wore down the cords where it blew. I don't think the tire should have been worn out, but maybe I'm just a noob, I don't know. But when doing that, I discovered my rim was a little bent in the back, and it's fine, like it's holding air just fine. They mounted it just fine. It's not affecting the ride or anything, but that got me motivated to put an 18-inch wheel on the back, so I'll probably do that at some point. But another thing happened is the front headlight went out. So when I turn it on, you can see the front headlight is out. So I ordered a new one here, just an Amazon headlight. Figured I'd do a little review on Amazon's headlight. It's actually the same headlight I have, but a little different. Here's your instructions. It comes with adapters if you need them. I will not. There's another one. But here's the main plug, which we can use. So let me pull this out and show it to you. So here it is. It's got the plastic on it, but you can see. So this one, well, you can kind of see. Not really. This one has 4 bulbs in it. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one should be a little brighter, maybe look a little different. But let's go ahead and pull this off. So first thing we got to do is pull the visor off, and then there'll be a little bracket in there to get the headlight off.
Sweet redemption, I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brand. And my safe protection, I will always be around. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, I'm tired of being in the line. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brain. You say you will, yeah. I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say you will. I'm calling your addictive brain. You say you will, yeah.
guys, we got her mounted and in, as you can see. So I did a quick little wipe down too, because I mean it was just so filthy, but I'm looking forward to see the difference between this and the other one. So you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights on it. And then if we come over here to the other one, it's got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll see how it looks. But we need to wash this thing and we need to take it for a ride. So let's, I don't know if I'm gonna wash it in this video, to be completely honest with you. Feeling kind of lazy today, but we'll see.
my safe protection. I will